Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. So the cryptocurrency for today's video is going to be Ethereum, right? Again, if you guys are already in crypto, I'm pretty sure that you guys are very well aware of Ethereum. If you're new to crypto, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, only next to Bitcoin. And this is a cryptocurrency that has brought a new innovation to the crypto space where it allows for smart contracts to be built on top of it. And basically, smart contracts are contracts that are decentralized and can execute certain function in a programmed, uh, fully programmed way where human intervention is not required, right? And this simple application, this simple mechanism has led to several innovations. Many of the innovations happening in the finance space. Therefore, it's called decentralized finance or DeFi. And this application is broadly expanding to other areas of the regular industry. And in the future, many analysts are saying that decentralized finance and decentralized applications based on Ethereum would be a commonplace, right? So this project has incredible potential. The token itself has its own incredible potential, but the smart contract networking system that Ethereum has created is definitely an innovation, which is an obviously better innovation to many other cryptocurrency projects, because smart contracts are really key to making sure that things are executed on a timely and trustless basis, right? So let's look at coin market cap to check the price of Ether, which is currently at 1164, and it's been down by 1.69%, which is in crypto terms it's nothing, right? This coin had a huge rally in the past month, and it literally went parabolic, right? So again, Ethereum is known as a slow mover, but once it starts moving, it's going to pump like crazy, right? Ethereum, if you see the charts, it has a very similar peak to that of the early Bitcoin peaks in the past. So you can kind of correlate it with the Bitcoin price action, because when Bitcoin shoots up, you can almost see no activity. It kind of grows slowly, or kinds of there's this accumulation phase on Ethereum. But once Bitcoin starts dropping in price, all the profit gets pushed into Ethereum, and Ethereum kind of like shoots up like crazy, right? So this has been the pattern for quite some time, and the pattern is obviously most noticeable in the 2017-2018 bull market, which saw Ethereum reaching an all-time high of 1,400, right? $1,400 per coin, which is incredible, right? So again, Ethereum has had its ups and lows after that, and it was mostly in a downtrend, and it kind of peaked slightly during the DeFi craze of 2020, and after the Bitcoin rally in December 2020, Ethereum also started pumping like crazy, right? And now it's kind of found this stable support at 1160, 1150 to 1100, 1200 range. So I'm pretty sure that it will kind of easily cross its old all-time highs and make new gains for this new bull run, right? Ethereum has a lot of potential, and I believe that there is a chance that Ethereum would replace Bitcoin as the dominant cryptocurrency in the world, especially if everything really goes well with Ethereum 2.0 as planned, right? So again, you guys can see clearly that it's the second largest market cap, market cap crypto in coin market cap and in pretty much every other metrics. And if you see, the most biggest weakness of Ethereum, in my opinion, is the circulating supply, right? So Ethereum, unlike Bitcoin, does not have a fixed supply. It's an inflationary currency, whereas Bitcoin is a deflationary currency. So Bitcoin's value is mostly derived from the fact that it is a deflationary currency. So every time people buy Bitcoin, there's less Bitcoin for everybody else to buy, and thereby there is high demands, and low supply leads to price increasing in a positive direction, right? But Ethereum is, it does not have a cap as of now, but there is a proposal, Ethereum Improvement Proposal or EIP, which is basically looking at burning Ethereum, as burning transaction fees that are happening in Ethereum blockchain, right? Which kind of reduces the circulating supply of Ethereum, thereby increasing the price in the positive direction. And also, since Ethereum is basically the godfather of all DeFi platforms, and it hosts the largest number of DeFi projects than any other cryptocurrency project, and each cryptocurrency DeFi interaction would cost gas fees, right? So if the transactions increase and the Ethereum burning rate also increases, Ethereum's the newly minted currencies after that Ethereum miners inject into the circulating supply will be lower than the amount of Ethereum that's being burnt in the network, thereby causing the price to shoot up, right? And that is something that everyone is looking forward to, including myself. But apart from that, I guess Ethereum has pretty strong fundamentals, right? So with regards to the price itself, if you guys already hold Ethereum, uh, like don't this is not the right time to sell, right? If you guys want to hold it long term, I suggest yeah, keep holding it, and maybe even use platforms like BlockFi to earn a passive income on your on your Ether and other cryptocurrencies. You can earn about 5.25% on Ether, and you can kind of trade it in the platform itself. So it has this really good feature, right? If you guys plan to use BlockFi, I recommend you using my referral link in the description. It will definitely help support the channel. If you guys choose to not use it, it's perfect. So with regards to decentralized lending, if you guys prefer to use a decentralized platform instead of a centralized platform like BlockFi, DMM is the best way to earn interest by lending your existing Ethereum. This is basically a 6.25% APY, and it is a much better and safer option compared to most centralized lending platforms. But do bear in mind that whenever you do a transaction with DMM, you have to pay a gas fee in Ether, because it's going to happen within your wallet on chain with no centralized entity like involved in this process, right? If you have not yet bought Ethereum, the best time to buy Ethereum is now, right? Because if you miss this opportunity, Bitcoin and Ethereum, when they shoot up, they're going to go parabolic, right? If you think that this is parabolic, you ain't seen nothing yet, right? It's going to pretty much shoot up, and Ethereum has a capability to shoot up much, because it's much more volatile compared to Bitcoin. So the price can literally go in thousands in a few hours, right? And it's been predicted by many Ethereum analysts that Ethereum has a tendency to go somewhere between $10,000 to $15,000 by the end of this bull run. It may even go higher depending on how Bitcoin is performing, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are highly correlated. But if you choose to buy Ethereum now, that would probably be the right option. And you can even buy Ethereum and hold it on BlockFi, or even Celsius, which is another platform where you can earn pretty good APYs on Ethereum, and you can kind of ride the bull market by earning some passive Ether on the side, right? While all the passive Ether that you've earned also accumulates and increases in price because of the increased price of Ethereum. So that's a strategy. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. please do your own research before you put your money on the market. But I would probably suggest anybody to who wants to get into Ethereum that this is the right price to do so, right? And if you want to wait because you're not really focusing on getting it at this prices these prices, there would be a bit of a dip every once in a while, but I can assure you that the dips would also be higher, right? You can see Ethereum, usually when it starts pumping, you can easily, you can easily go like multiple percentages higher, and the dips would be very minuscule, right? So if you're waiting for a big dip, it's not going to come in anytime soon, because we are charging up to cross the previous all-time highs for Ethereum. And basically the best time is now. The best time for getting into Bitcoin and Ethereum is now. Now is the best time, right? If you miss the boat, you are probably going to regret yourself, right? So remember that you are not a regular investor, you're a brutal investor. So stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos.